in early October. 7 buildings were torched, burnt to the ground, and it was really, really unfortunate. And of course, that threw up a lot of challenges for us. The fact that we had to complete the academic year. We had to make sure that students write exams and that they finish on time, supplementary exams are written and all of that. And so we sat down to work and crafted a recovery plan that covered all the areas, whether it's about ICT, it's about exams, it's about student SRC, student representative council elections, all of that. We put together a comprehensive plan for all of this. First, we did online learning, teaching, and then we did hybrid, and then eventually there were classes to complete the teaching for the year. And today, as I speak, is the last day of exams, and I'm very, very proud of our staff, very proud of our students for staying focused during this time. It has shown once again that this is a very resilient university. You can burn down buildings, but you can't crush the soul of this institution. You can't kill the soul of this institution. And that soul comes from every single member of staff, academic as well as support services and administration. But also, I just want to pay tribute to our students. Having come through this and having lived through the trauma of seeing the university go up in flames, they kind of pull back from the brink and focused again, back to studies and back to exams, and here we are today. Next year, we can look forward to a very productive year. We've got more plans, of course, with infrastructure. Veterinary and agricultural science faculty has now been approved as a 7th faculty by council. We're very excited about this. The planning and some of the construction has started already. We're hoping that we'll break ground for the new veterinary science clinic. We're hoping to break ground for the student center in East London early in the year. We're hoping to break ground for the extension of the Alice Library and, of course, the research hub in Alice and the new main entrance to the Alice campus. There is the rebuilding, which is a longer-term project, rebuilding of infrastructure that was destroyed. Again, we are on top of that. We will make sure that the university is restored to its greatness. It's going to be an exciting year. Again, this university will continue to grow.